Hey, hi guys, welcome to our podcast video. We are students from General Ahmad Yani University Accounting Study Program. Today, we are going to dive deep into the world of the role of technology in supporting accountants' performance. In this digital era, accountants no longer work only with paper and calculator, but also with various technology-based system and application. To discuss this topic, we are going to interview two speakers from different professional backgrounds. So let's get started into the interview. First of all, thank you to our speakers who has agreed to be interviewed by us today. Before we get into the discussion, we would like to invite the speakers to introduce themselves, starting with the first speakers.
Hello, my name is Rafa Aldila. I work as an accounting at the healthcare institution and I have been working for 2 years.
Okay, thank you for introducing yourself, Rafa. It's a pleasure to have you with us today. Next, our second speakers. Okay, thank you for the introduction, Erlangga. We're pleased to have you here today. Now, let's start to our discussion.
Let's start for the question number one. Uh, how does technology play a role in the process of financial recording and reporting in the institution where you currently work?
Well, in her healthcare institution like a clinic, technology plays an important role, although its implementation is still gradual. At the beginning, many financial processes were handled manually, especially related to patient service and daily transactions. Over time, the system started to become more integrated, so medical service can now be reflected directly in financial records. I think this practice is generally in line with the objective of financial reporting as stated in PS Account, which emphasizes providing relevant and reliable information for management decision making.
Okay, thank you for your insight. It's clear that technology plays a key role in improving the accuracy and timelines on financial reporting. The next question: what technologies are most frequently used in financial management and how do they affect work efficiency and practice?
Okay, in practice, the technology we use is usually a clinic information system that is connected to the financial module. Honestly, the impact is quite significant, especially in terms of time efficiency and data organizations. Although the system is not yet perfect, it helps reduce this dependence on manual record. From my experience, this also makes internal reporting easier and support the preparation process if an audit or inspection is required.
They that integrate system and accounting application have a significant impact on improving efficiency and supporting internal reporting as well as audit preparation. Thank you. We move to next question. In daily practice, does technology help minimize recording errors or does it instead create new risks?
Okay, from what I have seen, technology helps reduce human error in financial recording. However, at the same time, it creates new risks, such as incorrect data input or limited user understanding of the system. So, even though the process is technology based, internal control is still very important. This is consistent with PSAK 25, which highlight the importance of professional judgment in accounting policies and estimates.
Thank you for your explanations. It means that technology reduces errors, but effective supervision and internal control are still crucial. Continue for the next question.
Okay, in your sector, the risk of financial fraud is often associated with system loopholes. What role does technology play in preventing in or detecting such fraud?
In the healthcare sector, the risk of fraud does exist, although it is not always international. For example, there can be discrepancies between medical service provided and administrative records, or inaccuracies in claims. Technologies help because every transaction leaves a digital trail, making it easier to trace. But to be honest, it still depends heavily on human integrity. This aligns with the IAI Code of Ethics Revision 2020, which emphasizes integrity and objectivity in managing financial information.
Okay, thank you. It is evident that technology supports fraud prevention, but ethical integrity is still essential. Next question. How does technology help ensure compliance with accounting standard and regulation applicable in your sector?
Technology is quite helpful in supporting compliance with accounting standards and regulations. Financial statements are still prepared based on PSAK 1, while revenue recognition for healthcare service refers to PSAK 72, which has been effective since January 1, 2020. In addition, from a taxation perspective, digital system make tax reporting more structured and help reduce administrative errors.
What are the main challenges faced in implementing technology-based accounting system your institution?
One of the main challenges in clinic is not the technology itself, but the readiness of human research and the adaptation process. Not all staff have an accounting or technology background, so the learning process takes time. Also, some processes are still semi-manual. This is why internal policies and accounting standards are very important to ensure the financial reporting remains consistent and accountable.
Okay, thank you. That human resource readiness and adaptation remain key counsel in implementing technology. Next, the question. Based on your experience, how do you see the current role of accountants in the healthcare company sector as digital technology continues to develop?
Looking ahead, I believe the role of accountants in the healthcare sector will become even more important, not only in recording transactions, but also in helping management understand financial condition and service efficiency. Technology will continue to develop, but accountants are still needed to ensure that its implementation complies with standards, ethics, and regulations, whatever from an accounting, audit, or complements perspective.
Thank you. Thank you for sharing your valuable perspective that accountants will play an extremely strategic role alongside technology advancement.
Our discussion about the role of technology in supporting accountant performance is over. Overall, the discussion highlights that technology plays a vital role in improving the accuracy, efficiency, and timelines of financial recording and reporting in both healthcare and private company. The use of integrated information systems, accounting application, and digital tools has significantly reduced manual process, support internal reporting, and facilitate audit and compliance requirements. However, technology also brings challenges, particularly related to human resource readiness, system adaptation, and new risks such as data input errors and fraud vulnerabilities. Therefore, strong internal controls, ethical integrity, and compliance with accounting standards remain essentials. As digital technology continues to develop, the role of accountants is becoming more strategic, not only as records keeper, but also as analyst, supervisor, and key contributor to management decision making.
Okay. We also want to say thank you for our speakers, Mrs. Rafa and Erlangga, for your time to valuable insight. We hope this discussion has provided a clear understanding of the important role technology plays in supporting a content's performance, especially in the healthcare and private company sector. Thank you to everyone who has listened to our discussion and see you in our next session.